Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing these Command brand damage free hanging clips. So these are mini hooks. 18 pack comes with 24 of the sticky stuff. It's clear, as you can see from the side profile. Here's the back. Instructions real quick. Yeah, and these are mini clips to hang up small items. So, like that for your keys. Clear, transparent. Wow. So it comes with packs of these, the sticky stuff, double-sided sticky tape, and these. Yeah, looks really nice. Looks like it'll be really useful. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I ordered these from. And let me know in the comment section what you think of these. Cool, everyone. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.